Hi everybody, this is Miryam Gutierrez, and we're gonna keep going on the Halacha small videos, course videos, and so we're gonna go on with prayer. So today we're gonna talk about Shema Esrei, which is the Amidah. It is a focal prayer of the Jewish liturgy, and as mentioned before, just now, it's also known as the Shema Esrei. And it is a prayer that is typically said in the morning, afternoon, and evening. And so that's like a really small summary of what the Shemona Esrei is, what Amidah is. Let's move on. So the Baruch Shamad is the opening blessing to the Pesukei Simra. And according to some authorities, it should not be recited. It should be while standing. I'm sorry. And that's a little, I'm just giving you guys like a small definitions and as quick as possible. And so this keep going. The Ashrei, it is a prayer that is recited at least 3 times daily, and twice during Shacharit and once during Mincha. The prayer is composed of primarily Psalm 145 in its entirety, and Psalms 84, Psalm 84, verse 5, and Psalm 144 and verse 15 added to the beginning, and Psalms 115 verse 18 that was added to the end. So that is for the Ashrei. So we're gonna move on now. Let me just go ahead on my notes because I think I skipped a little bit. Okay. Okay. All right. So we're gonna move on with Yishtabach. Yishtabach is prayer that is said at the end of the Jewish morning prayers, known as Shacharit, and it is recited before the second Kaddish, which precedes the Shema prayer, So, and that's the Yishtabach. So the Kriat Shema. So what is a Kriat Shema? It is the main prayer which declares that there is only one God, or the Kriat Shema al Chatima, which is said before bed, as expanded form. It's actually an expanded form of the conventional Shema prayer. It is undoubtedly necessary for women to take up the joke of heaven. It's just the Kriat Shema is extremely important. Women are not actually required to recite portions of the Kriat Shema every day, but according to a Shulchan Aruch, because it is a time-bound mitzvah, that needs to be performed once during the day and once at night. There are no time-bound commandments that apply to women. On the other hand, the Shulchan Aruch says that the woman should recite the first pasuk of the Shema every day. This includes the words of Baruch Shem, among others. Furthermore, according to Poskim, it is commendable for everyone to recite all 3 of the Kriat Shema's section each day, even after dusk. So a woman is allowed to recite Kriat Shema at any time of the day. She should therefore say it later, and if she's unable to say in the morning, Kriat Shema comprises of 248 words in total. According to the Gemara, this is the case since the number 248 denotes the number of limbs in a person's body. So the Kriat Shema protects our bodies. That's what it's a profound thing to do. When the Chazan repeats the final 3 words, Hashem Elokechem Emet, for the duration of that tzibur, when a minyan, a group of at least 10 men, what that is a minyan, davens together, because the 3 paragraphs of Kriat Shema actually only has 345 words. These 3 words are also customarily added by certain people when they daven by themselves. To reach a total of 248 words, most people who daven alone add the 3 words of Ke'il Melech Ne'eman before the Kriat Shema. The poskim state that even though women have 252 limbs instead of 248, and it says that the basis is in the Mishnah Cholot 1:8 and Berachot 45:8. Of all of this applies to them. The Kriat Shema of Shacharit is preceded by the two Berachot and followed by one. Women do not need to recite the two Berachot before the Kriat Shema since they are governed by time. If she has the time, she's most definitely urged to recite this Berachot voluntarily. So there's more to the Beracha that comes after Kriat Shema, beginning with the word V'yatziv. Thus, Yetziat Mitzrayim is also mentioned. While there are other rules governing this Beracha as well, one of them states that women must mention Yetziat Mitzrayim every day. Once more, a woman is highly urged to recite the Beracha on her own volition and is welcome to do so every day. It is a mitzvah to tell the story of Yetziat Mitzrayim, which is the exodus of Egypt. It is a simple mitzvah and to achieve, but difficult at the same time, because when we repeatedly tell the story, it kind of tends to become like a habit, and sometimes it loses its meaning. So the person tends to lose interest, but it is important. The importance of fulfilling this mitzvah is because it's the foundation of Emunah. Rabbi Yisrael Levenstein was known to be like quote unquote obsessed with Yetziat Mitzrayim. Why was this? Because he believed that it was the foundation of Emunah because it breathes life into our soul when we remember that this story teaches us how we can be at the lowest moments spiritually, and Hashem can help reach new levels of understanding and closeness to Hashem. If Hashem was able to bring our people from the lowest spiritual levels and to the greatest heights in the spiritually, and from disgrace to glory, then with Hashem's help, we can do this as well. So I hope that this small video can help you, give you a better understanding. Right now we're going through the halachah of prayer for women. So I hope everyone has a wonderful evening, and take care. Bye, guys.